In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your T-Mobile plan to Netflix. Whether you're a new T-Mobile user or you've been with them for a while, accessing your Netflix account through T-Mobile is a great way to streamline your subscriptions and billing. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your T-Mobile account hub. If you prefer using your smartphone, you can also open the T-Life app. Both methods will get you where you need to be, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Account Benefits or Add-ons section. This is where T-Mobile lists all the goodies included with your plan and where you'll find your Netflix benefit if it's available with your current subscription. Now, keep an eye out for the Netflix option. If your T-Mobile plan includes Netflix, you should see it listed here. Go ahead and select Netflix. This is your gateway to linking your accounts and enjoying your favorite shows and movies. The next step involves either linking your existing Netflix account or creating a brand new one. If you already have a Netflix account, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it with your T-Mobile plan. If you're new to Netflix, the prompts will guide you through setting up a fresh account. Make sure to take your time with this step, especially if you're linking an existing account, to ensure that everything transfers smoothly. Once you've completed the setup, here's the great part: your Netflix billing will automatically transfer to your T-Mobile account. This means that you won't have to worry about separate billing for Netflix as long as your plan includes it as a benefit. It's all handled seamlessly, making your life just a little bit easier. With everything connected, you can now start streaming Netflix using your linked account. Fire up your favorite device, log in, and enjoy all the content Netflix has to offer, knowing that your subscription is conveniently managed through T-Mobile. And that's how you connect T-Mobile to Netflix. It's a straightforward process that saves you time and effort in managing your subscriptions. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.